Hello my wonderful students, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see class 4 periodic test 1 sample question paper for the subject max. Okay, this question paper is based on the new syllabus, shapes around us, hide and seek, and pattern around us. Okay, so very important. So knowledge we have 10 marks, understanding 10 marks, ability to compute 10 marks, and problem solving ability total marks is 40 marks. Okay, and students, if you want to receive this sample question paper, kindly join the channel. I have given the link in the description box. Okay, so that I'll be sending this through email. So first one is fill in the blanks. I have 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 corners. And you have to find out the shape. We already know it is a shape of cube and cuboid. Cube and cuboid. So cube and cuboid, and I will draw and I'll show you. Okay, take a black one. Going to draw a shape of cube. So we have studied this in detail when we complete the chapter 1 shapes around us. So if you missed to watch, kindly watch it. Okay, first we will go for the faces. Okay, so here we have the first face. This is the first face, second face, bottom, and the third face, back side, and fourth face, side, fifth face, and the front face is the sixth face. Okay, 6 faces. Next we have corners. So corners we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 corners. Okay, and next we have edges. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges. Okay. So cube and cuboid both have the same property. Alright. So next question, we'll go back to the color red. What is common to all these things? So what is common to all these things? The shape is the common. So here you have ice cream, which is in cone shape. Again you have a pyramid, it's in cone shape. A birthday hat, again in cone shape. Okay, so the shape is the common one. So write the answer as shape. S-H-A-P-E, shape. Okay, next, what number is the fact that is opposite to the number of 3? So what number will come in the dice when we see 3 in the top? So we already have a clue. So the sum should be always 7. For example, 3 plus dash is equal to 7. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So the answer is 4. So this also we clearly explain when we complete the chapter explanation. Students, kindly understand one thing. If you want to get good marks in maths, first thing is you have to understand the concept. Okay, so go back and see all your classworks, your school notebooks, and see what your ma'am have taught you. And also watch the video chapter by chapter. Shapes around us has 4, I think 5 videos. So each video, everything is clearly explained. So you have to understand, and then only you have to come for worksheet. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to understand. Okay. Next, what shape of the face is common to all pyramids? So here we have a pyramid. So what shape is common? The triangular shape. See all the pyramids, for example, pentagonal pyramid, square pyramid, hexagonal pyramids. So the common is their triangular shape. So you can write the triangular shape. Okay, next. Obtuse angle are dash than the right angle. So this is the right angle. So we have a right angle here. Right angle. And this is an obtuse angle. So obtuse angle are more than the right angle. And acute angle are less than the right angle. So this is the acute angle. Okay, this one is acute angle and this one is obtuse angle and this one is the right angle. Okay, next. Write the view of this tree. So this tree view is top view. Okay, and if you have a tree like this is the front view of the tree. Front view of the tree. Okay, next. Circle the odd number from the given number. So you have to circle the odd number. So we already know the odd numbers. Will always ends up with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So find the number which is ending with any one of this number. So we have 19. So 8, 20 and 72 are even numbers. Okay. Next. Write the answer the following questions. So we have given with a square pyramid here. So you have to write the number of faces, vertex and number of edges. Okay. So for this what we will do, we will draw the net of the square pyramid. So it will be very easy when you draw a net and do it. Okay. So this is the net of the square pyramid. And first we will write the number of faces. This is the first face, second face, third face, fourth face and fifth face. So how many faces we have? We have 5 faces. And next, how many vertex we have? So here we have the vertex. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is also known as corners. Okay, so 5. So how many vertex we have? We have 5. Next, edges. So how many edges we have? I'll do it in green color. So edges we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You have to join all these here. If you join all these here, you will get a shape of square pyramid. Okay, so the edges we have 8. I'll do that in red as well. 8 edges. Okay, so next we have given with find the given figure. So 1 minute students. So find the given figure is top, side or the front view. So we have to find out whether the figure which we have given is in the top view, front view or the side view. Okay, we have given a figure of cup and a slipper. So let's write the answer. So the cup, this is the front view of the cup. So front view. And slipper, here we have the top view. Okay. Next. Write any 5 even numbers. So even number, so what is the concept? Even number easily we can able to write. So the number which is like jumps of 2. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So it goes on. So these are numbers are even number, and even number always ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So you can write any numbers. Okay. So I'm going to write 44, 92, 112, 200, then 508. So all these are even numbers. You can write any number, students. You can even write 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Anything. Okay. Next. Understanding. So now we have completed the knowledge part, and now we are moving to understanding part. Okay, and students, if you want this question paper and sample question paper worksheets, you have to join the channel. Okay, join the channel and send me an email to kv.catherine3107@gmail.com, so that I'll be sending an email along with the worksheet. Okay, so next is understanding. Answer the following question. Follow these instructions for the shapes. So we have given with few shapes here, and we need to follow the instruction. Circle all the shape with the rectangular face. So rectangular face. So we have to circle it. So here we have the rectangular face. So this one rectangular face. So I'm going to circle this out. Okay. Next, draw a star on the shape which has curved face. So here we have a curved face. So I'm going to give a star. Next, cross all the shape with no corners. So this one has no corners. So I'm going to cross this out. Okay. And there is no instruction given for the cube. Next, draw an apple on the right top corner. So I'm looking from here. So this is my right hand side and this is my left hand side. Okay. So now draw an apple on the top right corner. So apple I'm going to draw. Okay. Green one. Okay, apple. Next, and a ball on the left top corner. Okay, a ball. A ball. Okay, on the left top corners. Okay. Next, write odd number in the circle and even number in the square. So we need to write all the odd numbers in the circle. So first we will write the odd numbers. So 19 odd number. Okay, changing the color. So 19 odd number, and we have 25 and 11 odd number. Okay, and next we have 72 odd number, sorry, even number, and we have 88 even number, and what else we have 94. Okay, so ending even number ending with 2, 4, 6, 8, and odd number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, now we are done. Next, make two-digit number using 3 and 8 without repetition. So we need to make a two-digit number. So 3 and 8 We can write 38 and 83. Okay, so mention which is odd number and which is even number. So even number will always ends with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. So 38 is an even number, and number ending with 3 is an odd number. So 83. Okay. Next, ability to compute. So answer the following questions. Write the name of the 3D shapes. So write the name of the 3D shapes. 6 straight edges, 8 straight edges, 9 straight edges, and 12 straight edges. Okay, so we will write one by one and I'll show you how it is coming also. This is exactly same question from your book, lesson chapter number 1, shapes around us. Okay, first one I'm going to write triangular pyramid. 6 straight edges. So we have triangular pyramid. PYRAMID. Okay, and I'll show you how to find it. First we will draw a net of a triangular pyramid. So this is a net of the triangular pyramid, and edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 straight edges. Next, 9 straight edges. So we have a 9 straight edges, a square pyramid. So square pyramid. And we already seen here, right, in this square pyramid. This one edges, and I showed you how we got this 8 edges also. Next we have triangular prism. So triangular prism. And 12 straight edges, cube and cuboid. So cube and cuboid. And I'll show for triangular prism now. Let me draw for the cube first. A cube and cuboid we already saw here, right? Okay, I'll erase. Okay, everything will go. Okay, I'll draw you students. Maybe I'll take a small cube. Okay, I'll do this in maybe green. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 straight edges. Okay, next. Find the angles and write in the blanks. So we need to find the angles and write in the blanks. So angles always we need to see from which side we are seeing. For example, if you are standing here and looking at this angle is here. So this angle, if you draw a line like this, this becomes a right angle. So this one is less than the right angle. So the angle which is less than the right angle are acute angle. Acute angle. This one very easy, right? State right angle. So this one is a right angle. Okay. Next, what comes next? So this is a question from pattern around us. So we have a triangle. So look at this point. So this is facing this side. Again, it's like a clock turn. So this is maybe 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Again coming back to 12 o'clock. Again it will go to 3 o'clock. So okay, I'll do it in black color. Do it using scale, students. Okay. Next, so we have a diamond shape, star shape, and a triangle shape, diamond shape, star shape, and a triangle shape. Okay, again next what you will get, a diamond shape, and next is star shape. So the pattern continues. Okay. So next we have problem solving ability. Okay, now we have completed the ability to compute. So now we have problem solving ability, 10 marks. Answer the following question. How many cubes are there? So we need to find and write the number of cubes. Okay. So first in the bottom, so we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll do it in maybe different colors so it will be easy for identification. I'll do in blue color. So we have first row. So 1, 2, 3, and we have 2 more here besides. So that is not visible. So here you can able to find 2 more cubes. So 2 more cubes. So 1, 2, 3 will be here. So 4 and 5 below these are hidden. Below these cubes are hidden. So here we can able to see 3 cubes, and there is a hidden cube, that is 2 cubes like this. So we have 5. Okay, and this row, the top row, second row, we'll do it in red color. So we have 2 cubes, and here we have 1 cube, and below we have 1 more cube. Below this cube we have 1 cube. So 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Okay. So how the base will look like this cube, how the base will look like, the base will look like this. So you have to do these 2 row and center. Okay, you have to omit these 2. Center, they have attached these 2 cubes. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. I'll take a white one and erase and show you. Okay, so this is the base of this cube. Wait, student. Maybe I'll do it another way so that you can easily understand. So this is the base of this net. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so 5, and top of this we have one more cube. So on top of this we have one more, like this. Okay, but when you see in this angle, this will look like this. So here we have 5 and top we have 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7, and this one is 8, and bottom we have one more here in the middle, this line. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have totally 9 cubes. Next, how many angles are there in the boat drawing? So how many angles are there in the boat drawing? You have to first all the right angles. I'm going to change the color. So this is right angle. So this is a right angle, and this one is also right angle, and this one is also right angle. This one is also right angle. Okay, so let's find the right angles in this board now. So we have here right angle, here one more right angle. So how many right angles we have? We have two right angles. An acute angle are less than the right angle. So here we have acute angle, 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 here we have, and here we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 acute angle. An obtuse angle are greater than the right angle. For example, if you have the right angle like this, the obtuse angle will be like this, greater. Okay, so this one, if you see, I'm going to draw in maybe yellow color, the obtuse angle. So this one, these two are obtuse angles. So how many obtuse angle we have? We have 2. 2 obtuse angle. Okay. Students, I think I need to redo this cube question. Give me 1 minute. I'll erase everything and I'll show you. I think I've done a thing here. I'll show you another easy way. Okay. So let's see the first row. So this is the first row. Only 3 cubes are visible. The balance 3 cubes are hidden. So we have 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6. On the top we have 1, 2, and the third one is hidden, the back side. So we have 1 plus 1, 2, and one more at the back side, which is equal to 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. And top we have 1. Okay. So 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10 is the correct answer. Okay. Next. So we already saw how many angles are there in this board: right angle, acute angle, and obtuse angle. So next we have place the object as per the given instruction. So we have to place the object as per the given instruction. So give me 1 minute. I'm going to take a screenshot of this because the bottom is not visible. So 1 minute, students. I think it will be visible now. Yes. So place the object as per the instruction. So we have a circle and an arrow, star, and a triangle and middle. And we have given with rows and columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have A, B, C, D, E, and this is the center part. Okay, first let's change the color because the color is given here. So C2, we have to place circle in C2. 2. So where is C? We have C here and 2 is here. So C2. So this one is C2. So we are going to draw a circle over there. Okay. Next, we have an arrow D5. So we have D here and 5 here. So again an arrow mark. Okay, arrow mark D5. So next we have a star in A3. So where is A? So we have A here and 3 is here. So draw a star. Okay, in A3. Next in B1 we have to draw a triangle. So where is B? So B1 you have to draw a triangle. Next, middle. So middle of the row we have to draw a diamond. So can we able to find the middle? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the middle place is number 3 and here C is the middle place. So we have to draw a diamond here which is C3. So the answer here is C, comma, number 3. Okay. So now we have completed this question paper, students. I hope this is like very easy once you have done with your class homeworks and once you have done with all the videos and chapter explanation. For sure this will be very easy. Okay, I want everyone to score good marks, and if you have any doubt you can always send me an email. So my email address is, and students, only those who have joined the channel will be getting these opportunities. Okay, so email address is kv.catherine3107@gmail.com, and joining link also I have given in the description box. Okay, kindly join the channel, and today I'm going to give you yellow smiley. So every day I'll be giving a smiley for all my students. So yellow smiley with a red eyes. Little big one. Okay. So all the very best students. Do well, take care, be safe, always obey your parents and teachers. That is going to be very important. Okay. Take care. And 1 minute, students, let me show you the worksheets also. I want you to show the worksheet. Give me a minute. Okay, so these are the worksheet of class 4 max. So this is the first chapter of shapes around us. So if you see, I have created this worksheet long time back. So if you want, you can join the channel and get this worksheet and practice for your examination. So if you do this, this will be very easy for you. You will do it very easily and you can able to attend your exam just like that. Okay. So if you want this question paper, you have to see the same one. So you have to join the channel. So once you join this channel, send me an email along with your name and class so that I can able to send the question paper for practice. Okay. So next we have the lesson hide and seek. So this is the question worksheet for hide and seek. So name the figure and write the top view, front view and side view. Parents, we still have time to prepare for examination, so join the channel and get these worksheet. Give to your children, ask them to complete, understand, and if they have any doubt, ask them to watch the video again so that they can able to understand the concept. Okay, max concept is very very important. If they understand the concept, they can able to solve any type of problems, and as many problems they solve, they can able to attend their exam very easily. Okay, straight away if they go for examination, they will find very very difficult parents. Okay, so they have to do at least few number of worksheets. So once they complete few worksheets, and when they go and attend the examination, that time they will feel very very easy, and easily they can able to solve many problems. Okay, so in this worksheet, if you see, I have given choose the correct answer, what are the common and alls, what are the number face opposite to the number, and what shape you use to make a model hospital, which of the option is a square pyramid. So this one is the square pyramid, and this one is the cube. So what shape is for common to all pyramids? So what shape is common to the all pyramids? The triangular shape is common to all pyramids. So fill in the blanks with the correct values. Number of faces in a square prism, number of corners in a triangle prism, dash 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 edges in a pentagonal pyramid. So all these are important questions where students for your examination. Okay, so parents, it's our responsibility to give them a best worksheet so that they can able to solve and resolve the answers. Okay, so get these worksheets, join the channel, description link I have given. So very important, I see many of them are joining the channel, but you're not sending an email to me. If you join the channel, once you send an email, only I can able to know that you have joined my channel. Mention your child name, class. Okay, and also I can able to send only English, max, science, and sometimes I'll be sending EVS worksheet also, and Hindi worksheets I'm not doing Hindi worksheets. Okay, so this question, draw any two divide lines and divide the square rectangle below into two equal triangles. So this one I'll show you. This is also important question, students. Okay, so this one you have to draw a line and divide the square and rectangle to make equal triangles. So you can draw a line here in the center. 1 minute. You can draw a line. Students, if you're doing, do use the scale and do it. Okay, and this one, this will become the first triangle. First triangle, and this one is the second triangle. Okay, and next when you're doing here, you can draw a line here. Students, I am unable to do a straight line, but if you have pencil, then it will be like very easy for you. Okay, so like this. Okay, and the first triangle is this one. This one is your first triangle, and this one is your second one. Second triangle. So first one, second one, and this one, first one, second one. And this one, see, in the given figure below, mark the number of acute angles, right angles, and obtuse angle. So same question was framed, right? So here, so we already know the concept. Right angle, it is a straight angle. Horizontal and vertical, standing and sleeping lines, it should be like straight. So this is one example. This is one example for right angle. So this is one example for right angle. This is also example of right angle. So it always depends how we see the image. Okay, if you are watching the image from here, this is a right angle. Okay, and obtuse angle are always less than the right angle. So this is right angle, this is obtuse, and acute are always more than the right angle. Put O for acute, A for obtuse, and R for right angles. Okay. Alright student, I'm going to end this video now because it's like become a very long, and so do well for your examination. All the best, take care, and parents, please do take care of your children. Okay, bye bye.